No stump stands a chance when technology steps in. Today, we're tackling the toughest terrain and clearing it with unstoppable power. This is Discover Tech. Let's roll. During an uphill assist operation, a fully loaded logging truck encountered traction issues on a muddy incline. A bulldozer was deployed for support, utilizing chains and full gear engagement. Midway through the climb, a load shift altered the center of gravity, causing the dozer to lose traction and tip. This incident highlights the inherent risks of rescue operations in unstable terrain. When it comes to landscaping and land clearing, stump grinding is the quiet powerhouse. The stump boss, Lil NZ, digs deep below ground level, eliminating stumps completely and leaving a clean, hazard-free site ready for the next phase. Okay, where do I plant one of these chainsaw trees? Asking for my logging crew. Also, how long till harvest? This machine appears highly efficient, but it also poses serious risks. The warning about gloves being caught in the rollers is no joke. That kind of hazard demands strict safety protocols, proper guarding, and full operator attention. This isn't equipment to take lightly. Prioritize safety at all times. Equipping a standard excavator with a stump grinder attachment effectively transforms it into a high-performance solution for stump removal operations. The tree transplanter setup demonstrates impressive synergy between machinery and environmental care. The precision of the excavator combined with the specialized tree spade allows for efficient and minimally invasive tree relocation, a powerful example of engineering supporting sustainability. Extracting a root ball like this highlights the importance of having a well-thought-out strategy. You're dealing with unpredictable variables and potential hazards at every turn. It's where experience and technical knowledge truly matter.
That was great.
Watching this old-school log splitter in motion feels like stepping into a time capsule, a rhythmic mechanical ballet from another era. Exactly. Planning ahead's like having a backup plan for your health and your budget. 2 wins in 1 move. The Moose Max wood chipper offers high-efficiency performance for serious chipping needs. Powered by a robust engine, it easily processes branches, logs, and brush into consistent wood chips. Struggling with dense or fibrous wood during splitting operations is a common issue. Wood devil cone splitters offer an efficient solution, utilizing a self-threading dual helix design that drives deep into tough logs and forces them apart with mechanical precision. Faced with a large pine stump, the John Deere 270D excavator delivers both the reach and hydraulic power necessary for efficient removal. By gradually working around the root system, the bucket loosens the soil and disrupts the stump's hold until it can be fully extracted. Sometimes it's the simplest fix that changes everything. One helper on the ground, repositioning the hook, and suddenly you don't have to leave your seat on the D2. What used to be a chore now feels almost automatic. The Elefante 140 demonstrates exceptional performance in stump extraction, combining hydraulic articulation with a high-powered ejector jack for controlled force application. The centering drill tip ensures accurate positioning, while the 550mm crown cylinder efficiently severs root systems. The result is a precise and efficient operation, ideal for demanding land clearing tasks. HF 500 cone screw stump splitter, when mounted to an excavator, provides an effective solution for pre-processing large stumps prior to tub grinding. Particularly useful in mulch yard operations, it transforms otherwise difficult material into manageable high-value wood chips, enhancing both efficiency and material recovery. You know how people say grown men are just oversized kids? 100% accurate. The only difference? The toys get bigger and way cooler. And honestly, if I had to spend a day doing this, playing with a real-life train engine, I wouldn't complain one bit. Feels like someone's childhood dream just got turbocharged. Not gonna lie, kinda jealous of the crew out there. Combining the power of the Barco 930 MKER with the precision of the FAEF GT 9021 transforms tree removal into an efficient operation. The Barco's 305 horsepower engine handles dense vegetation with ease, while the FAE mulching head reduces trees to fine mulch with impressive accuracy. Together, they deliver high-performance land clearing results. The 1270G, equipped with the H425 head, represents an exceptionally efficient harvesting setup. With wood waste kept under 5%, it significantly outperforms typical systems that average 10 to 15% waste. Beyond operational efficiency, this configuration supports more sustainable forestry practices, maximizing yield while minimizing impact. It's a forward-thinking solution that benefits both the industry and the ecosystem. Despite its compact size, the mini digger excels in stump extraction tasks. By accessing root structures directly and applying targeted leverage, it efficiently removes stumps. Designed for compatibility with excavators, loaders, and tractors, the BTDS Pro Compact and Pro Plus log splitters provide reliable, efficient firewood production in winter conditions. Engineered for single-operator use, these front-mounted units maintain productivity and fuel efficiency even in freezing temperatures, making them a dependable solution for farmers and firewood producers alike. Man, this is hard to watch. That log just keeps spinning under the cone like it's stuck in a bad loop. Now they're just standing around scratching their heads. Anyone got ideas? Operating deep in the forests of North Florida, the Tiger Cat 2000 shear, mounted on the 720E, delivers efficient, low-noise performance through dense timber. Its design prioritizes fuel economy and durability, outperforming disc saws in both longevity and consistency. The Diamond 60-inch forestry head, designed for skid steers, features an Inertia disc system for improved efficiency over traditional drum setups. The Comtech AX8012 is a high-performance industrial machine, equipped with a 770 horsepower Cat C18 diesel engine. Built in Germany, it reflects precision engineering and reliability. Its advanced hydraulic system enables it to process material with remarkable power and efficiency, a premium choice for demanding operations.